What are you watching? YouTube Rewind 2019?
I haven't seen it.
Yeah. Oh, wait for my part. It's coming
I
up.
saw you in the mix of the girls.
You saw that, right? Yeah. That was me. That was me. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today. That was weird. We gotta redo that. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. We are with some of the dudes right now. We got Jordan and Buck Finn. When was the last time you watched a video and they were both in a video? Felt like I really said video a lot just then.
Probably.
How many times can you count them?
This is a video.
I mean, if I weren't filming a video and I didn't say video, then this video. On today's agenda, you can see we got Jordan's V6 here. We got Blucifer over there. Ben, you got a new car, didn't you?
Kinda, yeah. We'll say it's mine.
I know, listen, so I'm gonna ask you if you have a new car, and you're gonna say, yeah, I got a new car, and then we're just gonna like totally bullshit it, okay? Here we go. Yo, so Ben, you got a new car, didn't you?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, nice, man. Let's go check it out real quick. Dang, man, you got the mom-mobile now, baby.
Getting to soccer practice on time. That's a little new car for my new family.
Heard you and George finally got married and adopted some kids.
George, yeah.
This is so monumental. Did I say that right?
Yes, you said it correctly.
Monumental correctly.
Okay, this is so monumental. Ben has finally come out of the closet. Like, it's all good though. It's all good. I love gay people. I'll say that for the 400th time.
Well, you love gay people? Does that make you gay?
No homo. Honestly, so proud of you, dude.
I'm still straight, and this isn't my car, so.
Yeah, it's not Ben's car. For those of you that didn't know, comes in my house and is like, "Yeah, dude, I got a new car." He's like, he's selling it to me. Like I'm almost thinking he actually did.
Dude,
and he's like, "Oh yeah, it's a 2020 50 G's." I was like, "Ben, you're bullshitting." He's like, "Yeah, I know." Today's video, we are gonna be kind of winging it, kind of not. I have an idea of how I want to structure this, but first we must go and rinse these cars off. We're not gonna give them a full detail. It's kind of bugging right now because it's like 40 degrees. Jordan's car, dude, that's not good. The man behind the camera in the fire photos. To be honest, your automotive photos are pretty fire.
Am I the best?
I swear gay people have the eye for the best stuff, man. From the title and thumbnail of this video, I had a couple problems with the car. Nothing too major, just little cosmetic things and, you know, some mechanical, as I guess you could call it. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you saw probably about 4 or 5 months ago now, I was underneath the car when I had the bags on the vehicle and I noticed my tie rod was completely bent. Many of you were like, "Oh, Derek, what'd you hit? A curb? I didn't hit shit, guys." And I actually talked to the previous owner, y'all. Had to get the thing switched out and it totally threw my steering wheel off completely. Yo, you touched my car full. It won't cut off until the clicker works. Ben, click the clicker, click the clicker.
Good luck.
Oh,
what? Wow, he's pro, dude.
Why did I have to come film today? Out of all days, why today?
How many gay jokes have you made since you started that camera?
I don't know.
At least 5.
How many dicks have you sucked?
At least 5. Oh, got him, bitch.
But no, guys, when I swapped out the tie rod, obviously it wasn't adjusted perfect. I just kind of eyeballed it and counted threads on the tie rod, but my steering wheel was like leaning like this to go straight in. And it bothered the hell out of me because I have a flat bottom steering wheel, so like if I grab down there, you can kind of see where I'm going with this. I got all that fixed up and I got it realigned yesterday. I got some new pads in the Brembos, and overall this thing, it's back to normal and it feels good to drive, and I'm excited to drive it today because it's supposed to be raining right now.
Sure about that?
Ben.
What?
It's raining, man.
Oh, you want to get my nuts, don't you?
You heard that, right? He said, "Derek, will you hold my nuts?" I might have to retitle this video, "Calling my friend gay for 20 minutes.
When I run in the video, just assume it's just gonna be a bunch of gay jokes about me. That's it.
Hey, I'm cool with that. On a serious note, guys, let's go head to this little wash real fast. Spray these things down, Ben. We need some fire photos, and you are the one.
You got it, Captain. Just unlock the car. Yo, you talking to me, man? What's up?
Leather seats, man. They're nice, but they're cold.
Yeah.
Jeez.
It is freezing.
So, man, how's it been going?
Pretty good. I've just been working. That's about it.
Yeah, working the streets.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Sure.
You know, like driving cars back and forth. I think.
Right, yeah. It's a little chapped because it's been cold, but
Yeah.
it's all good.
That's what they all say, dude.
It still works.
That's what every fucking... This lens was $900! I thought it like hit my shift knob.
That's what I thought it did.
It didn't, did it?
No, I don't think so. Let's watch it back in slow motion.
At least 5.
Hello?
So yeah, why do we have the windows down if it's like 40 degrees out?
I ain't trying to get no tickets, man. I don't suck dick to get out of my tickets, okay? I take them like a man. No.
You're like a man.
Alright guys, so we just got to the car wash. As I said, we're not gonna like fully detail them, we're just gonna rinse them off. Mine's not too bad, but it has been raining the past couple days and we need some photos. The gram has been dry when it comes to photos with this car, and I just haven't been really taking it out much. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and you know what, without further ado, Ben, you're in charge of the cinematic right now, bro.
Oh, am I?
When I say roll it, it better be good, or else they're gonna say Buck Fenn in the comments.
Tell them to say Buck Fenn in the comments anyway.
Yeah, there we go. So as far as the cinematic, guys, it's in Ben's hands now, so here we go.
Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams, they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's. No time for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle. I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would've happened, and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith. Came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up on my 2 hands. If you wanna talk, I need 2 bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans. Don't get involved if you're not my fan, but if you were willing to sacrifice when I roll the dice, then I'm counting you in. Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams, they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's. No time for fake friends.
Like detailing his car. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright guys, so while we wait for Jordan to finish up, really quick, we do have a video sponsor today, and that video sponsor is going to be VoIPScan. Guys, you know I've been working with VoIPScan for some time now, and honestly, this application is saving so many people a lot of money. For those of you that make international calls, you know it can get quite expensive, but with the new app, VoIPScan, it's no longer expensive and it's actually free. VoIPScan is actually expanding, and you can use their app as an advertising platform with any business you want. Now here's the great thing about this. Whenever you use their application to advertise, it is going out to over 100,000 people already on the application for the advertisement part, which is a lot. And not to mention, guys, when it comes to the calling, over 1 million people are using this app. So it is 100% legit, and it's saving people money. So again, head to the links in the description, go use VoIPScan, and VoIPScan, if you're watching this, thank you so much. All right, so I totally had Ben pull one for the team. He was standing right in front of the sun. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah. I got your coffee. And I've said it once and I'm gonna say it again. It feels so good to have my steering wheel straight again. But we good, baby. Yeah, I don't know why I thought smacking it in second gear was gonna grip. Totally did not work. Oh, we got some police, bro. Yo, did you call the cops on me, bro? All right, guys, the essential has been picked up. Dude, like, coffee has been saving my tail for the past couple weeks.
True.
This cold weather, 45 degrees. This might not be cold to many of you guys, but us Virginians are cold. Sir, do you know why I pulled you over today? Well, officer, I can imagine it's because of the front plate, but let's be real here. This is probably over halfway of the car. Yeah. Considering it's the front, right? Yeah. Am I right? You want a little bit?
Dude.
Dude, it just spins.
It's fucking...
Get out the way, asshole! Dude, this is so weird. You're like double vlogging me. I have to go through this, Ben. We talked about this. Let me stop filming! I will step on your shoes. All right, my turn. Holy shit. Yo, the cops coming? Like, look at these two jagaloons. Thank you so much for tuning back in for Wednesday's video. Ramin and I have a video dropping Friday, 8 p.m. You don't want to miss it. Super fun. But until next time, see you later.